Meanwhile, election officials in Chandigarh have come up with an interesting idea to try and boost voter turnout this election, especially of new voters. They have decided to partner with local businesses to offer citizens shopping discounts for exercising their franchise.
Officials handling election-related work in Chandigarh are hard at work these days. Not only are they doing regular poll-related responsibilities, they are busy discussing discount schemes with business establishments and retail outlets. The motive? To encourage voter turnout by providing incentives and discount coupons.
Chandigarh has nearly 40% voters who are quite young, say below 30, and it's quite a number. And to create interest amongst them and to get them drawn to the polling booth on that particular day, that is 10th of April, we are taking certain steps. Not only that will create an attraction towards the whole process, they will also enjoy the process of elections.
Perhaps Chandigarh will be the first constituency where voters can get surprise gifts and coupons for exercising their franchise. Here's a list of what's on offer. First 10 voters in all booths will get gifts and coupons worth ₹500. Voters between the age of 18 and 25 will get flat 30% discount at spa centers, hairdressing salons between the 10th and the 11th of April. Free soft drinks and popcorns at multiplexes across the city. Flat 30% discount in coffee shops, sweet shops and hotels. 15% discount in premium lifestyle stores between the 11th and the 13th of April. And the people are not complaining.
The discount coupons of spa and the other implement over there. This is a very good thing is to be implemented in Chandigarh administration for the coming Lok Sabha elections.
Luring a customer or a voter is always a good idea as long as it is for a good thought. Yes, to promote youngster to cast off their vote, it is really going to be a great change in this entire journey.
Chandigarh Lok Sabha constituency has a large number of young and first-time voters, and which is why perhaps the district administration has taken these unique steps in order to entice these voters to come out of their houses and vote on the D-Day. However, it is only after the votes are cast on April 10 that we will come to know that whether this initiative has succeeded or not. With camera person Dilip Sahu, Manaman Singh China in Chandigarh for Headlines Today.